New day mga kalagarahe, new day, new build. First of all, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Machu Mucho. So go check them out guys for your haircut needs. For today's video, medyo special tong build na to kasi di siya common sa mga regular na ginagawa natin. So not a cafe racer, a scrambler, or etc. But this one is a tracker build. So first of all, yung client natin is from Davao City. Ayun mga kalagarahe. And then, tayo na po nag-provide ng base bike para sa kanya. Alright, so, in this build, we used a Honda TMX 150 Supremo for this tracker build. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. I'll show you the bike. This is the bike mga kalagarahe. So, base bike, as what I've said, it's brand new under the name na po nung client natin. So, I'll show you kung ano yung mga ginawa natin. First, start tayo sa tank. This is a universal gas tank. And with our custom paint job. Sa tank and sa fender mga kalagarahe, yung gamit natin is yung urethane paint. So this is our design. Kasi ang sabi lang ni sir sa atin, sir, ikaw na bahala. Basta ito, ganyan lang ang gusto kong look. So kami na nag-decide lahat para sa client natin. Basically, he entrusted everything, like all the details to us. May mga specific details lang siya na gusto na makita. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. So, this is the tank. Our custom seat. Ayan. Handmade. Di po siya binili mga kalagarahe kasi may nagko-comment sa nabili or whatnot. So, we made this ourselves. Ayan. And then, for the handlebar, we used a mid-rise handlebar. And for the grips, this Vans looking handle grip. So this is our new favorite. Ayan. And then our favorite na bar and side mirror. The speedometer, we use this digital speedometer. Ayan. And for the headlight, ito yung gamit natin. So we kind of like this look. So that's how it looks. And then sa high, so change to into white pag naka-high and low. Depende na rin yan sa magwa-wiring if ano yung gusto niyo, pwede din kasi to white. So we chose this kasi wala lang, makakasya tingnan. Then sa side, signal light. Yan, the mini turn signal light. So that's what we thought na magsusuit sa build na to. That's what we used. Then custom na bracket sa headlight. And then for the fender, this is a handmade, hand-shaped aluminum fender. Ayan. With this custom bracket. And then dito sa fork, mga kalagarahe, still the stock fork and the fork boots, but we used a wider triple tree and triple clamp. And then, we already converted it into disc brake sa harapan. Ayan. And for the tires, we used 16-inch tires. So it looks fatty and big, but naka 16s po. Kasi this build is inspired from the ZDR Custom. Not really sure kung yun ba yung name nila, but I think that's ZDR Custom. So as I've studied the build, they use 16-inch rims and tires. So that's what we used also, 16-inch. Mataba siya tignan but not high profile yung tires. So low profile pa din siya but it looks bulky. Alright? And sa chassis, sa frame, so we modified this whole rear part, pati na yung chassis, we modified it. Ayan, so the original part was only this one and everything else here was modified. And then for this, I know it's kind of attractive talaga and medyo pansinin yung pipe. So we made this elbow, custom elbow. And for sure, may magko-comment if mapapaso sila. And based sa aming test drive and sa aming pag-aral sa pag-build na nito, di ka na mapapasok kasi di ka naman aabot sa part na to. So, pag naka-regular stance lang, ganito, malayo naman talaga siya. Kasi nakaganito ka lang, nakatayo. For the muffler, we use this SC Project. It's not wise to use a genuine SC Project pipe for this 150cc motorcycle. So this is not legit. Alright? Kasi sobrang mahal din nung legit for a 150cc bike. 'Di ba? So, ayun. And then, yung susian, nandito na sa giliran. It's one of our signatures. Diyan talaga palagi. And then, sa swing arm, papakita ko anong ginawa natin. So, may brace tayo na ginawa dito. This bolt is just for aesthetics only. Ayan. But it's all welded all together. And converted na rin siya to monoshock. And then yung carburetor niya is Nibi na po mga kalagarahe. Ayan, it's a Nibi carburetor. Ayan, with mushroom filter. Ayan. And then sa paint job sa engine, stock lang po ito mga kalagarahe sa side cover. Sa side ng crankcase. But this head part was powder coated. And I forgot to mention, everything else on this metal parts was powder coated na po mga kalagarahe ha. So, binaklas namin lahat-lahat and we powder coated everything except for the tank. And also, before we forget this small but very important detail, itong aluminum skid plate. So, this is made of aluminum. So, it's lightweight and durable, not fiber, kasi medyo against kami sa fiber parts ng motor. So, as much as possible, we try to use aluminum parts sa fabrications gaya ng fender. So, that's our design. Very minimalist lang. Naka-bead roll siya. In details in dito. And then, naka-holso dito. So, this one was also powder coated. Ayan mga kalagarahe. So, yeah. Basically, that's it. Yung ano pala, yung lalagyanan ng plate number. So, this one was custom. Ayan. It's a detachable part din yung bracket niya dito. So, ginawa natin ng guard yung plate number niya kasi medyo weak yung plate number ngayon. So, may guard siya na ginawa tayo. Ito, yung parang case niya. Dito naman sa taillight mga kalagarahe, we installed a LED strip. So, it's an integrated LED strip light. So, kompleto na lahat. Yan. May brake. And then, turn signal lights. So, ayan. So, ayun mga kalagarahe, we hope you liked our latest Honda TMX 150 Supremo tracker build. In our shop po, hindi lang po yung custom builds, classic builds yung ginagawa natin. We also offer powder coating services. So, as I've mentioned earlier, nagpa-powder coat tayo. So, yes, available po yung powder coating services natin sa lahat ng bikes, especially dun sa mga scooter. So, NMAX, Mio, XMAX, ADV, Honda ADV. So, sa mga ganung bikes, pwede powder coat po. Marami po tayong color of choice. So, if you'd like to inquire more on that, please check out our Facebook page po. May mga uploaded kami na reels doon sa mga nagawa natin sa powder coating. So, ayun. And if you want to book your schedule, and if gusto nyo magpa-build, doon na po tayo mag-usap sa Facebook mga kalagare. So, please, send us a message there po at mag-usap-usap tayo doon. So, ayun mga kalagaray. Peace out!